On this video, I'll be showing you how to make money on TikTok without showing your face. Intro. Whoop! Just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out. As you probably already know, TikTok is one of the most viral platforms as of right now. And so far, it does not show any signs of stopping. So when I first started my business online, TikTok was the first real way that I started to get income. I started with YouTube, I started with Facebook, and they're great platforms, but they're just much slower to start. And with TikTok, it was some of my first wins. As you can see right here, this is my second channel that I've ever started, and I have 189,000 followers. And on my other channel, I have 72,000 followers. So as you can see, the potential for you to grow is substantial. And so in this video, I just wanted to show you, so like in my TikTok accounts and my Instagram and my YouTube, obviously I show my face. And a big question that I get all the time is, what happens if I don't want to show my face? And so I wanted to give you a few examples of a few niches. If you don't know what a niche or a niche is, it's basically like topic of your channel, of how you can make money without ever showing your face. And so if you go to TikTok, you can kind of like look up different topics. If you go to the search accounts and videos, and what I did is I put in dog training, and I found this account right here. So if you don't know, dog training and is a big niche as far as, or niche as far as like making money online, because you can become an affiliate for a lot of different programs. And as you can see, this one's called dogs.training, and they have 54,000 followers. And their call to action here is best dog training system to train your dog. Click on this link. As you see, like, they don't actually make any videos of themselves. All they are doing is putting viral pictures of dogs, like funny videos. Like you see this one, it's like a funny video. I'm not going to play any of these videos because I don't want to get copyrighted, but you can kind of see like they're funny videos. There's like probably cute videos with dogs and things like that. And basically it's to attract people who love dogs, you know, and that's kind of the whole idea of it. And so these people became an affiliate for a dog training. Now, when you click on this link, it takes you to a landing page like this. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behaviors, right? So then it's a sales page. And so basically when you go down here, it tells you about all this dog training, and then I'm guessing that you can purchase it down at the bottom. Talks about all these benefits, blah, blah, blah. There's more. 47 bucks. Get instant access right here. And so, like, for example, all you really have to do is, if you're wanting to do this route, this is just one of the 3 examples that I'll be giving you guys here today, is you just go to dog training affiliate programs, and you click the first one right here, and what do you know, the first thing that pops up is brain training for dogs. It's the exact page that the person had. And so that one gives 75% commissions, which is pretty good. So 75% times 47 or whatever it is. And there's a few other ones too that you can become an affiliate for. So this is just, you know, one affiliate program that a lot of people tend to do, and TikTok is a great source for that kind of traffic. Now I found another example, so I'm going to exit out of these guys right here, in the golf niche. So a lot of people, there's a lot of money in golfing, well, in all the sports really, but golfing in particular does pretty well. And so I just put in, you know, the search accounts and videos right here. I put in, you know, obviously this is mostly done on your phone, right? But I'm using it on my on the computer here just to show you. But this one's called Cure My Swing, and it's just golf tips and golf drills. Okay, and their call to actions: golf tips, golf drills. They put a goal for their followers, and then say this is a great holiday gift. Their whole channel is just about, you know, golf things, golf swings, tips and tricks. You know, this isn't an actual person. They're just you know, taking these videos from online and reposting them basically. You know, this isn't someone actually doing it. So You can see, like, for example, this video has gotten 670,000 views. That's insane. That's so much traffic, so many people viewing that, and it's, you know, it's targeted leads. So when you click on this link, it actually takes you to this page here, where you could purchase for $20, you know, this original putt wheel golf ball, and that's kind of what, you know, you can purchase a couple different things here. So think about that though, all those different views, you know, and then people can make money, you know, when they click on the link and they purchase these. And so that's just another example in the golf niche. And then over here, I just wanted to show you that if you just go to Google and type in golf affiliate programs, there's way more than just those things. There's Amazon Associates. Obviously, Amazon has tons of different golfing materials, and then there's probably courses, I'm guessing. So golfing keywords. So Golf WRX. Don't know what that is, but you can see, like, you can be an affiliate for all these different things. You can get paid commissions for everyone that purchases certain things. So it's just to give you kind of an idea of just how many possibilities there are out here. And then this one is something that's obviously trending a lot more and more, but spirituality and manifestation. So on TikTok, there's a lot of these kinds of pages as well: meditation, manifestation, spirituality. And for example, I found this person, you know, I put in the search account, put in manifestation, and this person does show his face here, but if you look, he does not show his face on any of his content. And so it just says learn how to manifest anything, and it's pointing down. So when you click on this link here, it actually takes you to his beacons page. And I'm guessing that, you know, some of these free books and these quizzes are actually affiliate links. So all these different quizzes, and then it probably leads to a product. So if you just go to Google and put in manifestation affiliate programs, I bet you anything that there's a few things right here. Yep, 10 best law of attraction affiliate programs. So when you click on that, it takes you to this page. Again, these are just 10. There's going to be way more. And you can go to different websites like ClickBank, JVZoo, you know, all these different things that are obviously something that you can promote as well. So this one is 50% per sale, 40%, 40%. And so you can kind of see that you can get quite a bit of commissions for all these different kinds of niches. So that's why I always tell people the sky's the limit. These are just 3 of all the many different types of ways to make money online. And not even one of these 3 had their face showing. And so, again, this is affiliate marketing. Huge upsides to this on TikTok. And so if you want to learn more about that, like I said, there's a link down below. I can get you started with learning how you can do this for yourself.